From Carl Benz's groundbreaking invention in 1885, the automobile industry has seen a dramatic transformation. Cars went from being a luxury to a necessity, fueling the Industrial Revolution and changing the face of transportation. Overcoming a multitude of hurdles, the industry has constantly evolved, driven by technology and consumer demand. Innovation played a key role in this journey, with every hurdle overcome bringing with it a new breakthrough. Today, we're at a pivotal point in this tale, as electric vehicles dominate roads globally. The journey of the automobile is a tale of innovation, challenges, and relentless progress. The tale unfolds in Germany, 1885, with the remarkable invention of Carl Benz, the Phaeton motorwagon. Born into the heart of a rapidly industrializing Europe, this invention was far more than a mere feat of engineering. Benz's creation was the first of its kind, a machine unlike any other. It was a marvel, an invention that defied the norms and heralded a new era of technological advancement. The design, the mechanism, all were groundbreaking in their own right. His vision materialized into a mechanical beast that could traverse distances quicker than ever before. It was the first true automobile ever to exist, establishing the groundwork for an extraordinary revolution. In the year 1903, a man named Henry Ford had a vision. This vision was more than just a dream. It was a groundbreaking idea that would transform the face of the automotive industry. His vision was so compelling that he established the Ford Motor Company. This was just the beginning of his remarkable journey. A little over 10 years later, Ford introduced something that would revolutionize not just the automotive industry, but the entire world of manufacturing. He introduced the assembly line production technique. This innovative approach, introduced by Ford, changed the dynamics of manufacturing forever. From BMW's transition from aircraft engines to luxury cars, each motoring titan has a riveting story. BMW's journey, showcased through dynamic designs and innovative engineering, is extraordinary. Volkswagen, not lagging behind, created the iconic Beetle, winning hearts worldwide. This compelling narrative of a modest bug capturing global attention is a classic. Toyota, initially a loomworks company, emerged as a pioneering automotive leader. Their perseverance, epitomizing the essence of resilience, revolutionized the automobile industry. To Toyota's rise from loomworks to automotive leader, each giant has a unique story. The industry's evolution is marked by milestones from steam to gasoline engines. This journey, teeming with incredible innovations, began with the invention of steam engines. They marked the dawn of a new era, providing the much-needed power for heavy machinery. Shortly after, the world witnessed the birth of gasoline engines, a significant breakthrough that powered up automobiles, drastically changing the transportation landscape. Amidst these advancements, the birth of safety features emerged, significantly reducing accidents and injuries on the roads. Then came the mass production era, a revolution that made automobiles accessible to the masses, forever transforming our world. The environmental toll of combustion engines is a pressing global concern. Our continued reliance on them has resulted in increased pollution levels, causing detrimental effects on our planet's climate and ecosystem. This unsustainable situation has forced us to look beyond traditional means of transportation, either electric, hybrid, and hydrogen vehicles. These are not just alternatives. They represent the future of transport. Their operation, void of harmful emissions, makes them an eco-friendly choice. Further, their efficiency and quiet operation are added benefits. The quest for sustainability has therefore driven the shift towards these innovative modes of transportation, and hydrogen vehicles, arguably the most promising of the lot, close this spectrum. Despite their promise, electric cars face hurdles. Electric vehicles have been hailed as the future of transportation, a promise of cleaner, greener, and more sustainable mobility. However, even with their immense potential, these vehicles are not without their challenges. One of the most significant hurdles is the complexities involved in battery production. Producing these batteries requires substantial resources, including rare earth metals, which can be environmentally damaging and expensive to extract. Another significant challenge lies in the infrastructure. For electric cars to run smoothly, a robust charging network is necessary. This involves massive investment and time to develop from scratch, making it another hurdle to widespread adoption. Despite these challenges, the promise and potential benefits of electric cars can't be denied, from the need for a robust charging infrastructure. The last decade has witnessed a remarkable surge in the adoption of electric vehicles. This surge can be largely attributed to the incredible advancements that have been made in the field of battery technology. It is these advancements that have progressively made EVs more efficient, convenient, and affordable. This has not only made EVs an increasingly popular choice amongst consumers, but has also sparked a global shift towards more sustainable forms of transportation. Furthermore, the world has been waking up to the urgent need for sustainability, particularly in the face of the ongoing climate crisis. As a result, there has been a growing global commitment to sustainability. Whether it's governments, corporations, or individuals, everyone is beginning to realize the importance of transitioning to more sustainable practices. Countries around the world are accelerating EV adoption, with incentives and policies driving unprecedented market growth. This global drive to embrace EV technology indicates a pivotal shift towards renewable energy sources. Governments worldwide are recognizing the long-term benefits associated with lessening their reliance on fossil fuels. They're laying the groundwork for a future powered by clean, efficient electric vehicles. Incentives in the form of subsidies, tax credits, and grants are being offered to encourage both manufacturers and consumers to make the switch, thus witnessing an unprecedented market growth. As we stand on the brink of a new era in automotive technology, we find ourselves marveling at the expansive journey of the automobile. Once a mere concept, it has transformed dramatically, becoming a testament to human innovation. The wheels of change have been turning incessantly, shaping and redefining our perspectives on mobility and transportation. From steam engines to roaring V8s, from gas guzzlers to energy-efficient electric vehicles, the automobile's evolution tells a unique story of resilience, adaptability, and innovation. It serves as a symbol of human progress and ingenuity, demonstrating our capacity to adapt, invent, and strive for a better tomorrow. Looking ahead, the prospect of further advancements in this field is not just thrilling, but also indicative of a promising future. A future where the blend of technology and design brings forth an unprecedented era of automotive brilliance, promising a future as exciting as its past. What's your view on the transition to electric vehicles? The evolution of transportation is a captivating journey. From the invention of the wheel to the horse-drawn carriage, from the steam engine to the automobile, each step brings a revolution. Today, we stand on the cusp of another transformation shift with electric vehicles. This is no longer the future, it's the present. It's a controversial topic, filled with advocates and skeptics, each presenting compelling cases. As nations worldwide embrace and invest in this sustainable technology, what are your thoughts? Share your thoughts and stay tuned for the latest in automotive innovation. Thank you for joining us on this journey through automotive history. We traverse from the wheel's invention to electric cars, highlighting key transformations. Follow us and stay updated on the future of transportation.